Hi. Um, my thoughts today and uh, about love. Everyone needs love. So for me, as long as you are with someone, loved ones, partner, friends, or anyone that surrounds you, don't hesitate to show love for them. And don't wait for the time that you cannot see them, you cannot feel them. And huwag niyong hintayin na hindi na natin masasabi na I love you and I appreciate you. As long as that person, that they can still hear your voice, show them, tell them. Kasi we don't know, life is too short to waste time, to be hard on ourselves, not to show everyone that we love them. Ayun, especially sa parents natin. Kasi patanda na sila ng patanda. Tayo, we're going in there. But sa busy life natin, hindi natin napapansin na unti-unti sila din tumatanda. Diba? Come to think of it, busy tayo sa mga kanya-kanya nating buhay, sa mga goals na gusto natin marating, sa future natin. At syempre, yung pag-aim natin ng goals for our future, syempre kasama natin ang mga loved ones natin for that. Pero, aminin natin, most of the time, nakakalimutan na natin na mabilis lang yung time. Time is so very fast, especially lalo na yung mga nasa abroad, like me. Sayang yung time na hindi natin nakakasama yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, sa mga gaya natin na panganay, bunso, middle ka man, or sa kahit na anong aspeto ka, show your love, speak, let them feel that we appreciate them. Partners, especially parents natin, siblings, aunties, ganon, and so on. Basta everyone that yung alam mong genuine na para sa'yo, na nandyan in times of troubles, in times na kukumustahin ka nila out of the blue. Yan yung mga taong hindi mo inaasahan na mangungumusta sa'yo, na you are in their thoughts. Yeah, the important thing is pinaparamdam natin sa kanila na mahal natin sila. And don't waste time to spend your time with your family and loved ones, especially kasi yan yung hindi ko nagagawa ngayon, lalo na sa family ko kasi malayo. Iparamdam natin na we're still there, we love them, and kung kasama man natin sila ngayon,